Howdy Bobcats, welcome back to another episode of The Sage. I'm Leah Ertel, your opinion editor.
And I'm Juliette, your sports editor.
For today's show, we will be covering our library's new mural,
a feature on a new shoe store in the Carlsbad outlets,
a man on the street about would you rather travel questions,
and last up a sports segment.
Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Hey Juliette, what book are you reading currently?
Christine by Stephen King.
Well, he is a great author and a true artist with words.
Speaking of art and reading, our library had its very own mural grand opening this past Thursday.
Take it away, Lexi, Thurman, Leila, Adams, and Slabicki.
Sage Creek's 3D design class has made a mural for the Sage Creek Library called Changing Tides. The project was led by Hope Ryan Retzloff and Michaela Smith, two juniors making this mural for their Genius project.
And we both kind of contribute to managing the project and making it into what it will be.
This project has been in the making for longer than Hope and Michaela have been leading it. This year is simply the grand opening and the year it's finally done.
Well, Miss Burrows has been doing this with her classes. She's been kind of contributing to the collection of the corals that we have today for probably years, since before the pandemic.
Although this mural has been in the works for a long time now, the message is still as relevant as ever. The mural's intent is to bring awareness to the bleaching of coral reefs.
The threats that the corals face in our oceans and other marine animals. So because of ocean acidification and just the temperature rising in our oceans, the corals are bleaching, they're dying. A huge amount of the reefs of the world are all dead. This is really a project to spread awareness of these issues and to try to motivate people to really get involved and help out.
The grand opening of this mural was on the 28th of September and it came together very well.
It's really such a great feeling to rise from that and have this project to say, yay, we finally finished it and here it is, you know.
This has been Leila Adams, Lexi Thurman, and Slabicki reporting for The Sage.
Wow, a true masterpiece in our own library.
Next up, we have a feature on a new shoe store located in the Carlsbad outlet.
Here's Flores and Picchi featuring Kream Factory.
What's up, Bobcats? Today we went down to Kream Factory, a new sneaker shop, to check out what it's all about. Here's Jacob Anderson on what he does at the store.
I'm kind of like the manager. Yeah, I go to like different stores and stuff. Well, actually, I have my own brand in store. Well, actually, I'm wearing the shirt today, and I really just try to push my brand and my homie's brand. And we're just trying to just make it out here. It's like a poppin' streetwear brand. I'd say we're more like family orientated because all of our workers, we have known each other for like over 10 plus years. Everybody here is like local. We always try to like communicate with all the customers. I'd say we're just more friendly environment. Yeah. In the whole store, it'd probably have to be probably the Setsu buns. Those like brown ones over there with the purple. Yeah, I like those ones.
Next up, here's a customer, Anant Sharma, on why he likes Kream Factory.
It's just, they got a variety of options. The store is hella vibey. They got clothes here too. They got everything, you know? I haven't bought any shoes, but I'm looking at the Palominos over there. They got some nice options, you know?
Beside Karne
and Picchi,
reporting for The Sage.
Make sure to come on down and check out some new kicks.
For sure, and you can wear your new kicks on your next vacation.
Here's Omar, Tabet, and Karne taking us on a trip around the world with the man on the street about would you rather travel questions.
Who am I here with?
Ellie?
Chloe.
If you had to pick one place on earth to travel, where would it be and why?
Italy because the food is good.
That's fire. Great food.
Western Australia because the surf is good.
I'm here with
Dean Heilman.
Would you rather travel back in time or to the future?
Probably to the future because they probably have crazy like 3D technology and everything.
Who am I here with?
Chris Offspring.
Yes, sir. I would rather go to the moon or Mars.
I'd rather go to the moon.
Why?
Because I want to rock.
I'm here with
Sol, Donette.
Would you rather travel to Egypt or Turkey?
Egypt. Egypt.
Why?
Because there's pyramids for the pyramids and mummies.
Alright, you're good. Who am I here with?
Hassan, but I go by Rotash.
Alright, perfect. Would you rather travel to Egypt or Turkey?
I'd rather go to Turkey because like they got more stuff in there.
Like what?
People.
People? Yeah, people.
Who am I here with?
Shota Collins.
Would you rather never travel or constantly be traveling?
Constantly be traveling.
Why?
Because, like, if you can't travel again, you basically can't do anything. Because, like, going to, like, the grocery store, like, that probably counts as traveling. And, like,
yeah. Okay.
Hi, who am I here with?
Chris. Thomas.
Hi. Would you rather travel back in time or into the future?
I would rather travel in the future.
Why?
So I can see what happens in college, bro. I'm hyped for that.
That's fine.
Yeah. The future.
Why?
For college apps.
That's nice.
I hope to travel to France one day.
Me too, but Rome is at the top of my list.
Last up, we have Dougherty, Connor, Carroll, and I with a sports report.
What's up, Bobcats? This is Jacob Dougherty bringing you sports for this week. Fall sports are in full swing. Girls tennis has 2 games against Mount Carmel this Thursday. At 3:30, varsity will play here at Sage, while JV will play away at Mount Carmel. Next Tuesday, also at 3:30, varsity will play away at La Casa Canyon, while JV will face them at home. Girls volleyball will play away at Canyon Crest Academy this Thursday. The JV and novice games will begin at 4:30, while varsity will play at 6. On Tuesday, they will be up against Rancho Bernardo, at home on the same schedule. Girls golf has 2 games coming up. On Thursday, they will face Mission Vista at home at 3:30. They will play away at Torrey Pines on Tuesday, also at 3:30. There are 4 away field hockey games this week. Today, JV will play at San Marcos at 4:30, and varsity will play Escondido at 6. On Friday, both teams will face Mount Carmel. Varsity will play at 5, while JV will play at 6:15. Make sure you come out to support your fellow Bobcats. You can purchase tickets for any game at gofan.com or get them for free with an ASB sticker. This has been Jacob Dougherty, Connor Carroll, and Juliette reporting for the Sage. Now back to the anchors.
That's all for this week's show, Bobcats.
Make sure to check out our latest articles and our social medias.
Before we go, a quick announcement for all those in Science Olympiad. Your first meeting is at lunch tomorrow on October 5th in Mrs. McGee's room, 1300.
This has been Juliette
and Leah Ertel
reporting for The Sage.